Hello, today video is about ChatGPT. Artificial intelligence is the most affecting invention to our future world, and ChatGPT is one of the major invention of artificial intelligence, and today video is about ChatGPT. Madz Academy. The art of learning. To connect with ChatGPT, first type ChatGPT on Google and search it, and enter to the first link which is proposed by Google, and this is the interface which you enter that link, and then click that try ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT asks to login or sign up, and here I'm going to create a new account. Here I log with my Google account. Okay, it's Madz Academy. Okay, then confirm your account with your phone number. It's a 6-digit confirmation code, and this is my account. This is the first interface which you can see when you log into your ChatGPT account. Here, my first question is, who are you? I want to know about ChatGPT and who is ChatGPT. He's answering me. He's telling that I am an artificial intelligence assistant trained to assist with a variety of tasks and answer questions to the best of my ability. I am not a real person, but rather a computer program designed to provide information and assistance to users like you. Is there something specific you would like to know or talk about? It means he's mentioning that he can assist us, rather a computer program designed to provide information.